Wathiko yake rikirumaniririo Mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga niahinyiriirie uhoti wa bururi gutabania kura ya mawoni mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2022. Hatari kuhotomia utonga wa bururi no ria kwa ihinda ukoretwo thararite kumana na moritu maria maumanite na kinguki gia COVID-19. Odinga uria waritio hindi icera riake kaunti-ini ya Kisumu ugite ungumania niguo koragwo uri muhinga munene bururi-ini. Kuona andu aingi aria mathukagirwo kuhariria githurano mahuthiraga mweke ucio gwitongia na uguo kuongerera thogora wa ithurano.
The issue of cost is an excuse, not the reason. Because I've said that the elections or referenda does not have to cost that much money. It is basically because of the corruption in our procurement process. That's why our elections are the most expensive elections in the world.
Ni Murugamo wonekete kunyitwo mbaru na muikariri wa kamiti ya bajeti mbunge-ini ya bururi Kanini Kega, uria ugitio na gutuika bajeti ya mwaka uyu nirikitie kuharirio kuri na mweke wa bajeti nini gutabanio niguo gukuruhania kigina gia kura ya mawoni kungikinya ni gutabanio.
Bajeti ri guthondekwo main budget ni hari kindu gitagwo supplementary, na ni ndinamane tugukorwo twina supplementary gwikinya mweri wa kenda ni tugukorwo twina supplementary, na supplementary ni ukaga ikarehe maundu matarariho ikaruta mamwe marariho na ikarehe mangi matarariho.
Britain did a referendum the other year. Then this year they did another general election within a very short period of time. Most countries in Europe go into a referendum almost every other year. Therefore, we should not shy away from this issue of holding referenda on issues which divide the nation, so that we can get a national consensus.
Kwa hida gikundi kia atongoria ngurani na makiria aria manyitaga mbaru munini wa President William Ruto makoretwo makiendekithia kureno gutabanio hindi imwe na githurano kinene niguo gwithema uitangi wa kigina kia muingi. Undu uria Odinga atianiire akiuga ici ni ciegwatio cia kugeria gutiriria gutabanio gwa kura ya mawoni.
Hangigakinya hatuike ni hagwikwo kindu gitagwo referendum, nie ndi chairman wa budget na tukinyitanira na kamiti yakwa ndikuona hari na kihingici ona kinini gukorwo tugikira mbeca cia referendum, tondu mbeca ciikagirwo kuringana na fata uria uriho.
Kuringana na Odinga, mishemanio ya ripoti ya BBI onayo nitanyitwo gucokereria ica-ini ikuhi. Makiria wona we na Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta mamukira ripoti ya muthia ya BBI na iria irikanite gukorwo irikite. Kaunti ya Meru niyo yari ya muthia kunyitwo geni mushemanio wa BBI mbere ya mishemanio yothe ya muingi kurugamio kurumirira kinguki gia COVID-19. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.